In August 2020, there was this massive explosion in Lebanon. It was so massive. It's like, what kind of bomb did they use? And people were thinking, nuclear bomb? Or what did they use? But there was no bomb. They found out that there was this warehouse. By the way, there were thousands of people who were injured at that time. There were hundreds of people who died, and they found out there was no bomb. It was no terrorist. There was a warehouse in the port, and it was filled with chemicals used in fertilizer. And it's been there for 6 years, sitting in a warehouse. And then finally, boom, explodes. Friends, think about it. Fertilizer, you spread it and scatter it in a field, it will create a wonderful harvest. But you store it and you keep it, guess what? It becomes dangerous and it destroys. That's what a blessing is. A blessing is designed to be scattered. But if you keep it and make it a selfish project, what happens is it becomes dangerous to you and to the people around you.